y'all, on this next recipe, you know what we really crave when fall comes? Besides the apples, we crave a nice hearty soup. So, I'm gonna make a cheesy sausage soup that's gonna stick to our ribs, and I love that. So let's get this going. I've got a pound of like breakfast sausage, ground breakfast sausage. I've got my onions. And I've got my bell pepper, green and red. So this is gonna be pretty and colorful. And like I said, it's gonna be real hearty. It's one of those rib sticking soups. Okie dokie. And simple and easy. On a nippy fall day. So I'm just gonna cook this until the sausage is done and the peppers and the onions are tender. And then I'm gonna drain it. We're gonna add our chicken broth, two 32 ounce cans of broth. And we're gonna put in hashed brown potatoes, it's half a bag, and a cup of frozen corn kernels. And the last things we're gonna do is a processed cheese and sour cream. So it's easy. The instructions say to drain this, but it doesn't look like, but maybe a tablespoon of liquid to drain. So I'm opting not to drain it. Now I just put in my flour. And we want to cook this for a minute or two. Let that flour get all in our meat and vegetables. We don't want it to clump on us, so we want to get those good and mixed in. Our sausage is done and our vegetables are very tender. All right, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna add 2 32 ounce bottles of chicken stock. I would actually prefer making my own, but one of the things that I like about this dish is it's easy on the cook. But there's nothing better than homemade chicken stock. Nothing. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Now, if I feel like this soup is not thick enough, I can always, at the very end, mix some cornstarch with some cold water and make it the thickness that I think it should be. It's gonna make a pretty good sized pot, y'all. Okay. Looking good. All right, now I think I got a 32 ounce, let me see. Yeah, 32 ounce bag of frozen hash browns, but I'm only gonna use half the bag. So, I'm gonna try to judge that. You can't have too many taters, can you? So, since it's Paula cooking this, she may want to add more. You know what I mean, Vern? Okay, I'm gonna put in our corn now. And remember, that was frozen corn, so we'll let it cook a couple more minutes. Ooh, this looks so good. I love all the fall colors. Isn't that pretty? Can you see in it, Eddie?
Yes. So confetti.
So, it does look like confetti. Very, very pretty. So, gonna let that get back hot again. Gonna turn that puppy up. Okay, now you'll notice that in this recipe that I have no salt or pepper on the list, because remember that broth, that chicken broth, it contains salt. So only do that at the very end. Plus this cheese is gonna have salt in it. So, but I am gonna throw some pepper in for Michael. Because he likes his hot stuff. But that's not going to be very hot anyway. All right, now I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And this is going to turn this into like almost a cream-based soup now. And I do love a cream-based soup. All right. And lastly goes our cheese. Y'all, I had so much fun years back when I was writing my Just Dessert cookbook. And I made fudge using this kind of cheese. And I had so much fun asking people to try my fudge and what do you think about it? Well, it's delicious. What's in it? When I told them, what's the name of this cheese?
Velveeta.
Velveeta, yeah. When I told them Velveeta cheese, they couldn't believe it. But you'll have to look up that recipe and make it because it is fun. So after all this melts and all those flavors get together, I'm gonna do a taste test and just see if it needs any salt. I never did add any salt to this. I did add some pepper, and I just did this because I wanted to. I took some Japanese breadcrumbs and I toasted them off in butter, so it's going to be like little miniature croutons. Because I just like topping my soup with something. So I think this will be tasty. But you could do cheese, you could do, gosh, so many different things if you're a topper girl like me. Ow. Doesn't that look good? So hot. And at this point, I may add a little salt. It just depends on what I'm feeling. Well, look who just came in.
Hey,
He's always right on time when it comes to eating.
puppy time.
Do not add any salt. Michael, are you ready for lunch?
Oh yeah, I can try a little.
Okay. It's delicious. Delicious, delicious.
So I keep coming back.
I'm going to take my bowl of soup and sit down and enjoy it. And I do hope y'all will try this recipe because it is delicious. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.